Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I have some lumber I have to mill up, and I have it all listed here. Um, the lumber I need. It's not. I actually have some more I need to get, but this will be for a few projects I have. So today, let's see. I have a 17.5 foot white oak on here, and it's 12 inches in diameter. So a perfectly square cant. We could get an 8-inch cant out of it, but I believe I'm going to leave a little waning on it, so I might even be able to get a 9 or 10-inch cant out of it. It's going to be close. It's a nice log. It's all white oak. So this is going to, anything on the blue here is all white oak. And over here on the red can be anything. So I got like I said, 17.5 foot. So I'm going to try to get, I need one 4x4 that's 16 foot long. I thought I needed a couple of those. I do need one 4x8 17 foot long. Actually, I need 3 of them. 4x8 17 foot long. But I'm going to try to get one 4x8 17 foot long and one 4x4 16 foot long out of this one. So I'll probably get 2 4x4 16 foot long and one 4x8. So I'll end up with 2 of those. Or I can, yeah, I'll do that. Because I'm going to need, for my woodshed, I'm going to need these before I need these for the sawmill shed. I'm going to build an extension over the sawmill shed too. So these are going to be oak 4x8 beams. Pretty good beams. There'll be some carrier beams. So we'll see how it goes. And let me show you this log. Now, I'm not going to get that all today. It's not going to happen. I might do a couple of logs today. The weather is starting to turn a little bit, starting to get a little cloudy. Plus, if I'm in here too long, I have a robin's nest up here. That the mom does not want me to be in here all day, I'm sure. That's a big log. I'm going to be racing, I think, some raindrops here, so I might only get 1 or 2 done today. So I'm going to get this going. Man, that's a nice straight white oak. Let's see what we can get out of it. It's 12 inches on the small side. What's the big side? 13 on the big side. You know, I've mentioned it before. Oh, first raindrop. I've mentioned it before with these logs this long, especially with oak. I'm going to pour a little extra water to it to keep that blade cool. And without this auto feed, this would be a bear. All right. I hope I can turn it with this 5-foot log cant that I bent. Oh yeah. This is all white oak that I'm going to be using to turn into lumber for that stuff I need. 5 more. Pretty good sized ones too. And it did break. So that's exactly what I'm talking about on these long runs. The blades get hot, and I just pour the water to it, and I noticed my water bumped up and wasn't hitting about the last 2 feet. And I was thinking, oh my gosh, it's going to get hot and break. And sure enough, it got hot and broke. Again, this is one of those old blades. These blades are 2 years old, and I've got a lot of sharpenings on them. So they're giving up the ghost. I got another box of 10. I'm going to buy some rippers. I'm going to try those rippers before I do the Norwood Sabertooth. Woo! Little tension. All right. Doesn't look like I damaged any belts. Let's see if we're going to be able to pull this out. Oh yeah. Maybe not. Because I do have a kink in it. I'm going to have to, let's slide, okay, I can pull that back. Yep. All right, let's send her home. All right, that took a few minutes. Time I changed the blade. Got a good sharp blade on there. This will probably break soon too. It is missing a few teeth, but I lost a set screw for that. And we're gonna see how that does. I ended up putting a 5/16. Actually, I think it was a 1/4 20. So I'm gonna get this cut. That killed a bunch of my time. All right, we got a 14-foot 6-inch. We got a crack. I didn't cut this tree down. Somebody else cut it down. And there's a big crack about to here. I need 12-foot, 4 4x4s. The bottom end, this bell end, 20 inches, but you know, you can see that's not what we're looking for. But down in this end, we're at 13 inches again. So, again, I'm going to cut some 4x4s. that's going to do it, guys. Out of those 2 oaks, I ended up getting my 4 4x4x12s. I did get a 4x8. Actually, I ended up being 5x10, which is even better, by 17. And I got one 4x4x16, which was 17. And out of my 4x4x10s, I need 5 of those. I got 1 of those. So that will do it, guys. You saw how I went about it. The power feed did really well again. On one of those oaks, I had a hard spot and it stopped the mill. I still don't know what caused it. But anyhow, we got through it. So give me a like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's the most important thing. And we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.